Hardin-Simmons University was established in 1891, and since then we have founded some really rich traditions, my favorite being the Alumni Wall. So I like to come over here because my sister's name is on the wall and my brother-in-law's name is on the wall, and hopefully this May my name will be on the wall as well. So among Hardin-Simmons traditions are campus pets. We had Fritz the dog in the 20s, and now we have Gilbert the goose today. Some freshman boys brought him to campus as a prank a few years ago, and he's been here ever since. He's a pretty big deal on campus now, and we even have a birthday party for him in May. So one of the great things about being here is that we have just as many traditions as a larger school, but in a smaller, more intimate family setting. We have everything from freshman beanie capping to senior ring ceremony. The Western spirit of friendship and hospitality lives on at Hardin-Simmons. From our cowboy band to our 6 white horses, we're proud of our Western heritage. If you decide to come here like I did, you'll start off your year in freshman orientation week called Stampede. Throughout that week, you'll do a lot of fun activities, meet new friends, and get acquainted with campus.